In this video, I will show you how to delete autofill form data from Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First, open Chrome browser on your PC. Now click on three dots located at the top right side. Now from the available options, click Settings. On the left panel, click Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security section, click on Delete Browsing Data. Now on this pop-up, just select the time range. You can select from last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks or all time. Let's select all time. Now go to Advanced tab. Now scroll down and here you will find an option Autofill Form Data. Just select this option. You can uncheck the other options as these are not needed at the moment. And once you select Autofill Form Data option, just click on Delete Data and autofill form data will be deleted from Google Chrome browser. So that is how you can delete autofill form data from Google Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.